That's what is called meditation, dhyana. When once, but it made, once it is vacated, the stillness of the beingness of the body is called samadhi. Zero. That will explain zero. Possible. It is possible. Provided willpower to withdraw. Withdraw. Willpower to withdraw. Secluded, withdrawn. Okay? Which requires some sadhana, some practice. Alright? Okay. Yeah, once again. How many of love silence? Honestly. Silence. Oh, very good. Silence in the sense. It means what you do silence? Just sitting? Sitting quiet? Or with somebody else not talking? Both are friends, for example. Both are silent. But the third person again thinks there is something wrong. Something wrong. Okay. So silence means you can ask when you are angry with somebody else, children. What do you take immediately? Shut up your mouth. You say, shut up your mouth. Can we say, shut up your mind? Can you say, shut up your mind? Are a small sister, younger sister? Impossible. So, one may shut up mouth, vocally shut up. But inside, the mind goes on thinking. Different ideas. All these things what requires important domain silence. What the Aurobindo says, absolute silence gives absolute power. Can you please repeat your own language, masters? Come on. Okay, sit down, say it please. Sit down, say it. Sit down, say it. Pariputra, say it. 90 degrees spinal cord. Spinal cord 90 degrees. Erect to spine, correct to brain. Otherwise, correct to brain. Erect to spine, correct to brain. Otherwise, correct to brain. Okay. The energy must go upward movement to the brain. Okay. Through spinal cord. The most important. Many people I say in America now, they do not get the blood circulation upward. Some of them go for Sirsasana, they want to posture. But there are certain precautions taken. Okay, ready? Absolute silence.
Absolute silence
Gives absolute power.
absolute power.
Repeat once again.
Absolute silence absolute power.
Absolute silence gives absolute power.
Only this little one. Come on.
Absolute silence gives absolute
Power.
All together.
Absolute silence gives absolute power.
I tell you, language, the expression personality is the most important. That's why I said, be vocal, be local, otherwise not local. Be vocal, be local, otherwise not local. So be vocal, be local, be vocal, be global. How many of love English? Take it out to the lower class. Don't like English? It's English university, okay. Right. Can you repeat all of you? Come on. Language. Big luggage. Language, big luggage.
Language with luggage.
Engage.
Manage.
Manage. At any age.
Age.
Otherwise, you damage life. Most important. And for all these things, you must be intentional listener. When you are an intentional listener becomes an extensive learner. An intensive learner, an extensive practitioner. An intensive practitioner, an extensive personality. Intention does extension. Clear? Intention does extension. How many of you here totally? You are sitting here. Are you totally present? Honestly, Shubham, too.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir. Somehow. That makes all difference. Okay. I use wonderful quotation. Losers live yesterday. Achievers live today. Thinkers live tomorrow. You decide what you are. Losers live yesterday. Achievers live today. And thinkers live tomorrow. Think what are you? How many of you want happiness? What is this word? Don't want anything else. Don't want Because body language, verbal language does make communication. Okay, very important. Fine. So, and what happiness, ultimately, for that you require 5 domains. First one, physically fit. First one, physically fit. Second one, physiologically fit. Third one, psychologically fit. Fourth one, sociologically fit. Fifth one, cosmologically fit. That is fitness mantra. Total personality, 5 domains, like 5 elements, or to proper function of the 5 channels, what we call Panchendriyas, the 5 channels. Okay. Okay, so physically fit, physiologically fit, come on, psychologically fit, and sociologically fit. What? In our friends among circles, we like people. Whom you like most? Those who are very serious or cheerful. Naturally, those who are cheerful. Repeat after me, all of you, come on, without inhibitions, like children, enjoy. Yes, all cheers.
All cheers.
Have a cheers, please. Have a smile on your face. All cheers.
All cheers.
All ears.
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 All clears.
Okay, very simple. A point, and we tell young children, one must learn ABC. One must learn ABC. ABC means always be cheerful. Repeat please.
Always be cheerful.
Once again.
Always be cheerful.
There are 2 types of people. Cheerful man, serious man. CM and SM. SM means serious man. As if every day talk to Trump issues. Every day American issues. Yesterday also. Lots of problems. The whole globe is on his head. I got some people. But there are people cheerful. Okay. Cheers make you cheerful. Come on, hands. Smile. Repeat.
Smile.
Smile.
With a smile. Smile.
Smile.
Smile a while.
Smile a while.
Smile a while.
Smile a while.
To find your smile.
Find your smile.
In your smile profile.
Find your profile.
Smile a while.
Smile a while.
To find your smile.
Hide your smile.
In your smile profile.
It's your smile profile.
Is it smiling difficult? I'm not saying every time smiling, somebody is crying, I'm not saying smile. In general, smile. That smile is a mind, smile. Teeth are ready. Beautiful teeth, beautiful lips. Okay, all the time, mouth closed, shutter closed. Closed. When you keep your shutter closed, lips down all the time, and speak monthly once, your mouth becomes a bad smile, go down. The most important, you need, what called laugh and smile seriously. That's Aurobindo says, all life is more yoga. All life is secret yoga. The most important. Food and lifestyle, most important in yoga. Even if Patanjali were to be born again, now he lose worse than us. Patanjali did not use cell phone, laptop, did not know all those things. Days were different. Now we are living in biodiversity. Systems change, nature change, breed change, crop change, field change, lots of things. But in this, we are living all polluted. Pollution, adulteration, corruption. 3 things. Pollution, adulteration, corruption. Repeat once again.
Pollution, adulteration, corruption.
Here in this class, if everybody is smiling, if somebody doesn't smile, also big polluted. Everybody is smiling in their class. What do? Naturally, when you smile, everybody is very serious. Naturally, you are supposed to be very serious. And there are people, they smile and laugh after 1 hour or 2 hours. If somebody says, what happened? No, you smile in the morning and laugh, I forgot to laugh and smile. So now I am doing that. That's what we call split personality. We call it split personality. Aparichitadu. A critical personality, a typical personality, eccentric personality, egoistic personality, person's abilities personality. Person's abilities personality. And what is that person's ability? Come on. Only getting job, getting rank, Come on, education toppers, life toppers. What is personality? Anything can be correct. Tell me. Okay, the same question is asked in your final examination. Do you write? I don't know, sir. You have something in mind. Please. There are three types of personality again. One is serious man, second is cheerful man, externally. But internally, there are three types. Introvert personality, extrovert personality, ambivert personality. Introvert, within himself. Okay. Extrovert, outspoken, nothing of himself. Okay. Ambivert, situationally in, situationally out. So these are very, very important. And water bottle, the water. Which is very important? What's your good name, please? Huh? Okay. Easy or PG? It's very good. Tell me. Water bottle is important, what is important?
Water is important.
Tell me. Water is important, very good. But water is very bad. What do you do? What is important? Excellent water, pure but oxygenated water. But what is not pure and not clean? Perforated. What is important? We need to know container. Container is a bottle. Content is water. Understand? So this content is mind, container is body. Content is mind, container is body. So which is important? Body.
Both.
100 years plus container. This water bottle, bioliquid mass, 100 years. Both are important. So unless you clean the container, you cannot keep the content. Understand? So yoga, union of container and content. That is it. Accepted?